In order for us to say that it is a good time for Quiet Cool to run, we look at days that we have outdoor temperatures dropping below 75 degrees in the nighttime and a humidity level under 65%. Speaking of humidity, what about Quiet Cool in climates that are very humid, like Central Florida, New Orleans, Louisiana, or even Houston, Texas? When looking at historic data, the humidity level in these markets is within the 30 to 65% ideal humidity range during the majority of the spring and fall months. That means that Quiet Cool can be used to help cool and ventilate the homes in these regions, even if it seems really humid outside. Did you know that whole house fans were actually invented to help people in the South have a more efficient cooling and ventilation system back in the 1960s? And our customers in these areas still love them today. We actually did a survey of homeowners in these humid markets, and over 90% of them told us that humidity was a non-factor for them in running their system. This is due to the fact that our product introduces active ventilation, or a powerful breeze, into the home. Studies have shown that airflow is great at mitigating the feeling of humidity in the living space. With our product completing 15 to 22 air exchanges per hour, the airflow doesn't allow for humidity to build up inside the home. And remember, the more hours of AC usage that you can cut out, the longer the AC system will last. Air conditioning systems are very expensive to replace, and with a Quiet Cool, while we won't eliminate your AC usage, we can reduce it, which can help extend the life of the AC system. So instead of having to replace the AC after 10 years, it can last for up to 30 years. Quiet Cool is the V in HVAC and can help homeowners live a more comfortable lifestyle in any climate zone.